Tired of your cell phone bill eating away your profits? Let's dive into the best new business cell phone plans that will help you save money and boost your productivity. First up, let's compare the big players. We're looking at Verizon, AT&T, and Mobile. Notice the data allowance is critical for businesses that rely on mobile data for field work or customer interactions. Pay close attention to the price, but remember, the cheapest isn't always the best if it doesn't meet your needs. Speaking of needs, multi-line discounts can significantly reduce your monthly bill if you have several employees needing cell service. See how adding lines brings down the per line cost. This is a key area where businesses can unlock major savings. If your business involves international communication or travel, check out the international options. Some plans offer free calling to specific countries, while others provide affordable data roaming packages. Ignoring this can lead to unexpectedly high charges. Ultimately, you need to assess the overall value. Consider data needs, number of employees, international requirements, and the fine print. Don't just look at the price tag. Consider what you actually get for your money. So there you have it. Picking the right cell phone plan is crucial for a successful business. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more valuable business tech tips, and leave a comment sharing which cell phone plan you're currently using.